In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to use the language feature, available on the Pro plan or higher, to show badges only to visitors from selected language. Before you begin, make sure your plan is upgraded to Pro plan or above. To apply language badge, either edit an existing badge or create a new one. Click the Edit button on the badge you want to customize. Next, scroll down to the Rules section in the badge editor. Here, you'll see the language option. Click on Language, and a list of languages will appear. To choose for which language your badge should appear, simply click the Add button next to the language you'd like to include. For example, if you want the badges visible only for the English language, just select that language. 5. Once you've selected your target language, click Save to apply your changes and toggle the master switch once. And that's it. Your badge will now only display for the English language website. You can try it for different languages from the drop-down as per your requirements. You can also restrict badges by country restriction rule. Just follow the same steps using the country restriction condition in the Rules section. For more tips or assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team anytime.